What is up, guys and gals? Welcome to One How to Smartphones tutorial videos on the iPhone 11 and 11 Plus series. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to turn the camera timer on and off. So first thing we're going to want to do is start off by going into our camera app, and then we will, you guys, obviously, if you guys see the slow-mo, video, photo, portrait, if you see that at the bottom of your screen, what we're going to want to do is there's a light arrow right up here, as you guys can see it right there. Go ahead and select that. And from here, it gives us a few more options. When we see these options, the option we're looking for is the one with a little circle with a little arrow. So go ahead and select that. And here it shows us timer off, 3 seconds or 10 seconds. So let's say we set it to 3 seconds. There is a 3-second option that appears there. So when we go to hit the camera, it gives us a little countdown, 1, 2, 3, and it just took a picture. So if we wanted to change that, go ahead, go up here, and we could select 10 seconds. As you guys can see, that it does give you a countdown, so it gives you time to set up your phone on a tripod or whatever you're using to take a picture with, and run into position, and it will take that picture. So as you guys were able to see right there, it just took that picture. That's the 10-second burst, and then there is also the 3-second burst. So if you guys have that turned on your camera and you guys want to turn it off, you want to take a picture right away, you can go ahead and select it right up here. It should be up there, and you can turn it to off. If it is not there, once again, you're going to want to hit that arrow and come down and hit the little timer button and then hit the timer off. So that is my quick tutorial. If you guys would like to see other helpful tips and tricks on the iPhone 11 and 11 Pro, go ahead and check out that playlist in the description below. That's all I got for you guys in this one. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.